This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Read the problem statement fully and paraphrase it in one sentence. Then identify input types and expected output format for clarity. Work through the provided examples and create 2 additional edge cases to test boundaries. Note special conditions like empty input or duplicate values. List constraints like array length n, value ranges, and required time limits before designing a solution. Estimating limits guides algorithm choice and prevents inefficient implementations later on. Choose a strategy such as hash map, 2 pointers, or sorting with ON or ON log n. Sketch pseudocode with clear steps and estimate time and space complexity for the chosen approach. Decide on data structures like dict, list, set, or dec before coding to avoid refactors. Keep the plan minimalistic and focused on correctness and performance. If multiple approaches exist, pick the simplest that meets constraints and handles all edge cases identified earlier. Write clean Python code with meaningful variable names and small helper functions to improve readability. Translate your pseudocode line by line and keep functions short and focused. Run at least 3 tests, provided examples, edge case, and a randomized input test to validate correctness. Use assertions to check invariants and catch bugs early during development. Profile and optimize hotspots, reducing complexity from O(n) log n to O(n) if possible for better Leetcode performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.